Hello ladies and gentlemen, I hope you are doing great. Welcomes back to our channel. If you are new here, welcome and consider subscribing to my channel by clicking that little bell notification below. We can learn how to survive wild animal attacks. Normally we can do stop, stay calm, and slowly back away while speaking calmly. You're attempting to demonstrate to the bear that you're obedient to his territorial dominance. Turning your back on the bear or fleeing will only provoke an assault. Direct eye contact is considered an act of violence, therefore avoid it. So now we can start to learn some of wild animals' attacks and how to prevent it. Let's get started on the video right now without wasting any time. Number 1. Alligator. Alligators are native to the southeastern United States. An adult male alligator can weigh up to 1,000 pounds and has one of the most robust jaws in the animal kingdom. The majority of alligator confrontations can be avoided by simply fleeing, but if you're really stuck, try these alligator wrestling instructions. Approach from behind. You're in the alligator's blind spot if you're standing behind it. Careful not to step on either side of it. If it senses you coming, it might snap sideways. Most of its muscles are engineered specifically for this and take a chunk out of you. Jump on, and don't think twice. Alligator wrestling isn't a thinking man's sport. When ready to leap onto the gator's tail, prepare to jump and lunge when the opportunity presents itself. Don't be hesitant. Lock onto the fat area of the alligator's tail. Grab the jaw and don't let go. Grasping the gator's mouth and leaping onto its neck should be done in one fluid motion. So, before you even touch down on the gator, prepare your arms to grasp onto its bottom jaw. Make sure there's no food or things near its mouth. Otherwise, it'll snap sideways and force you to jump. Raise it up. You can further prevent the gator from breaking away by raising it back off the ground after you have a firm grip on its jaw. When gators are taken off their 2D plane, they become more passive. We advise, plant your feet in its armpits and pull up on the chest plate. Wrap your hands over your shoulders and chest and lift up with your entire weight on the tail. Lean backwards with your legs. Number 2. Grizzly bears. Grizzly bears have dinner plate-sized paws and 5 claws the size of chef's knives. Stand in their way, and they'll slash you into a pulp. Female grizzlies can weigh up to 800 pounds, while the males get up to 1,700. Pick your camping spot wisely. Find a location away from the forest edge, with plenty of surrounding thicket that will rattle if a grizzly approaches your camp. If it doesn't work, make a slight noise or clack on some rocks while listening for movement. We advise against sleeping in certain regions. Be calm. Don't move if you're ever close to a grizzly bear and it raises its head and makes eye contact with you. It freezes like a statue. Don't blink. Don't move or look in the direction of the bear. If the bear charges, every muscle in your body will tell you to run. Hit the deck if you're being attacked by a bear. There's not much you can do other than lay there and take it. Protect your head and neck if you can, and don't fight back. If you move too soon, the bear may turn around and attack again.
Comment ahead. Nej, 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 nej. Nej, nej. Gå bort! Gå bort! Kom inte hit! Gå bort härifrån!
Number 3. Moose. Moose are found in the woodsy northernmost regions of North America and Northern Europe. Full-grown bull moose stands up to 7 feet tall, weighs nearly 1,800 pounds. They can run 30 mph in short bursts and wield 6-foot-wide antlers. Keep your distance if you see a moose on a hiking or snowmobile trail. Get out of its way. Slow down and allow the moose to pass. These animals can kill wolves and bears in defense of their calves. Know the warning signs. How do you know whether to fight or fly when facing a moose? They don't always give you a warning. If they show the whites of its eyes or tips its nose up at you, you are way too close. Ball up or climb a tree. Plan O was to slowly back away with your hands in the air, muttering nervously, "It's okay, big guy. I'm not going to hurt you." It turns out the moose didn't give a shit, and now it's charging you.
O kurwa, hopa, hop. O kurwa.
Number 4. Mountain lions. Mountain lions, sometimes known as cougars, pumas, panthers, or catamounts, are huge cats native to the Americas. Mountain lions are tawny, big cats. Mountain lions can be found in a variety of environments, including mountains, forests, deserts, and wetlands, where they find shelter and prey. The first job is to deter an assault by demonstrating your dominance over the lion, waving your arms, standing up, etc. If it doesn't work, use anything you have on hand: your hands, rocks, and if local laws allow it, firearms. Number 5. Wild elephant. The African elephant is the world's largest land mammal, standing up to 3 meters tall and weighing up to 6 tons. Male elephants achieve full size at 35 to 40 years of age, which is more than half their lifespan. Wild elephants can live up to 60 to 70 years. The elephant is most likely bluffing if they're spread out. Be concerned if they return, because this is a beast you don't want to engage in a foot race with, back away cautiously, or attempt to climb a tree with. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to get updates on new videos. That's it from this video. We hope you liked it. The comment section is all yours. Do tell us your suggestions about next videos. Bye.